to my kitchen. Today I'm making 3 kinds of candy. This is sliced coconut that I already started. I put ginger, cinnamon powder. Oh, you're gonna see it in this one. And this is grated coconut, and here is blended coconut. I'm gonna mix them. And today I'm gonna show you how I make my peanut brittle. Here I have some blended ginger, and I'm going to add 2 spoons of ginger and this water for the coconut, for the peanut, I'm sorry, for the peanuts. 2 full spoons of ginger, and I have 2 spoons of ginger for this coconut. And I'm going to put a pinch of salt, a little pinch of salt. And put this one too. And I'm putting that for the peanut. I'm putting 4 cups of sugar. And a spoon and a half cinnamon powder. Don't put too much cinnamon, it's not gonna be good if you put too much. It depends how much you're making. And this is for the coconut. Okay. I think I covered all for this section of the candy. And this, I'm going to let it boil. And I'll see you in the next video to see how the candy see you in the next video, and you could see how the candy look like when it's done. Okay, see you in the next video.